Hello students. Today we are going to start our second lesson, The White Elephant. This lesson is written by Ruskin Bond. Ruskin Bond is an Indian short story writer and novelist. He has played a pioneering role in the growth of children's literature in India. He writes about the simple hill folk of Uttaranchal living in close proximity with nature. He is a prolific writer. Do read the stories contained in the Blue Umbrella and Uncles, Aunts, and Elephants. You will also love the adventures of Rusty and Crazy Times with Uncle Ken. These are some important stories or novels written by Ruskin Bond. So, Ruskin Bond is widely known as the writer of children. So, in pre reading task, we have some questions here like, do you like animals? Do you like animals? Have you ever been to a zoo? What is your attitude towards the caged animals? The second question is about your attitude towards the caged animals. Means the animals who are in cage and they are not enjoying their freedom. So, what is your attitude towards them? Do you watch them standing very close to them or from a safe distance? Means whenever you go to zoo, uh, what you watch them standing very close or you watch them from a safe distance. The fourth question is, what would you do if you found someone troubling or teasing an animal? What would you do? Here are some options. Would you not bother at all? Would you try to save the animal yourself, or would you inform PFA, means People for Animals authorities? So in among these options, what would you do? Next question is, given below is a zigzag puzzle. Find out the names of at least 10 animals or birds hidden in it, horizontally, vertically, or diagonally. You will have to find out animals in this puzzle. This is your home task. Okay, now we will read our story, The White Elephant. Long ago, a great herd of elephants lived in a forest near the Himalayas mountains. The finest elephant in the tribe was a rare white animal. Long ago, a great herd of elephants, a group of elephants who lived in the forest near the Himalayan mountains, and the finest elephant in the tribe, means in the group of animals, was a rare fine white animal. Why that animal is called rare? You must have seen elephant, and you know that the common color of elephant is grey, but here the elephant color is white. That is why it is called a rare tribe, a rare animal. Unfortunately, means unluckily, the mother of this elephant was old and blind. Although her son gathered sweet wild fruits for her every day, he was often angry to find that the other elephants had stolen his mother's food. Now, this word, often, but in some YouTube videos you have heard it as often. I would like to tell you about this. In American accent, it is spoken as often, but in British and Indian English, Indian accent or British accent, it is spoken as often, not often. Unfortunately, unluckily, the mother of this elephant was old and blind. Means the mother of this white elephant was old and blind, although her son gathered sweet wild fruits for her every day. Just because he was old and blind, so she was not able to collect, she was not able to gather food for her. That is why her son collected sweet wild fruits for her every day, for her mother. He was often angry to find that the other elephants had stolen his mother's food. Just because his mother is old and blind, so the other elephants stolen his mother's food. They stole every day his mother's food, and to watch this, the white elephant got angry. Mother, he said, it would be better if you and I were to go and live alone in a distant cave I have discovered. Because the white elephant was very angry for the other animals stole his mother's food. That is why he said his mother, it would be better for us if we go to another place that is distant, means that is far away from this forest, and we can live happily together. The mother elephant agreed, and for a time, the two of them lived happily in a peaceful spot near a glade of wild fruit trees until one evening they heard loud cries coming from the great forest. Because the white elephant searched, discovered means searched, a distant cave means the cave that was far away from the place where they lived. So he discovered a cave, and when they moved there, in that cave, they lived happily for some time because there was no one who can disturb them. There was no one who can steal um, the fruits of her mother. So they were living happily together. But one day, near a glade of wild fruit trees, means that place was a distant place from that forest. And what is glade? Glade means an open place in a forest which was enriched with wild fruit trees. So they were living happily, but one evening they heard some loud cries coming from the great forest. That is the voice of a man in distress. Distress means extreme danger that needs urgent help. Means जब कोई बहुत बुरी तरह से चिल्ला रहा होता है और लगता है कि उसे हेल्प की ज़रूरत है. डिस्ट्रेस मतलब जब वो खतरे में होता है, ठीक है. तो दैट इज़ द वॉइस ऑफ अ मैन इन डिस्ट्रेस, सैड द वाइट एलिफेंट. वाइट एलिफेंट हियरिंग दैट क्राइज, white elephant said to his mother that this is the voice of a man in distress, means someone who is in danger. I must go and see if I can help him. Do not go, my son, said his mother. I am old and blind, but I know the ways of human beings towards us. Your goodness will be rewarded by treachery. Treachery means an act of willful betrayal. Means धोखा देना. जब हम किसी को चीट करते हैं तो ये ट्रेचरी होता है. Do not go, my son, said his mother. His mother said, don't go, just because he was more experienced than his son. He said, I am old and blind, but I know the ways of human beings towards us. They means you will do good for them, but in return, they will cheat you. His mother warned his son. But the white elephant could not bear to think of anyone in trouble, and he hurried down to the lake in the direction of the cries, where he discovered a man who was a forester. But the white elephant could not bear to think of anyone in trouble, means he cannot tolerate to see a person in trouble. So he hurriedly went there to the lake in the direction of the cries, where from where the noise is coming. And there he discovered a man who was a forester, means the person who was crying was a forester. Don't fear me, stranger, he said. Tell me, how can I help you? And then white elephant said to the forester, means he offered his help for the forester. The forester told the white elephant that he had been lost for 7 days and nights and could not find his way back to Banaras where he lived. The forester told the white elephant that he had been in this forest for 7 days and 7 nights because he lost his way. He lost his way. He forgot how to go back to Banaras where he is living. Means he was a person who lived in Banaras, and he forgot his way to go back home. So he asked for help. Climb on my back, said the elephant cheerfully, and I will carry you home. Then elephant cheerfully says that climb on my back and I will carry you home. The elephant carried the man swiftly through the forest until they reached open country. Then he left him on the outskirts of the city before returning to his cave. Then the elephant carried the man on his back and swiftly means जल्दी से, okay? तो वो उसे जल्दी से फॉरेस्ट से बाहर ले गया until they reached open country. Then he left him on the outskirts. Outskirts means boarding areas of a village or a city, or you can say or a country. So when they reached the boundary of the city, he left him, means white elephant left that forester on the outskirts, means the on the bounding areas of that city where he was living. The forester was a greedy and cunning man. द फॉरेस्टर वॉज अ ग्रीडी एंड कनिंग, मतलब कि बहुत ही ज़्यादा चालाक और लालची आदमी था वो. ही न्यू दैट द किंग्स फेवरेट एलिफेंट हैड डाइड. सम डेज अगो किंग्स फेवरेट एलिफेंट हैड डाइड एंड ही न्यू द फैक्ट. द किंग वुड रिवार्ड मी रिचली, थॉट द मैन, if I capture this fine animal for him. And he thought that if he knew that the king's favorite elephant had been died, and if he if he would gift it if he would gift this elephant to the king, he would definitely be rewarded. So he straight away asked for a royal audience. The king was delighted when he heard the description of the white elephant, and then when the forester told the king about the white elephant, because it was very unique for all of them that elephant has a white color. So when he heard about the white elephant, he became very happy. Delighted means happy. I would love to possess such a fine creature. Go back to the forest with a band of my most skillful trainers, and if they succeed in capturing this real elephant, you shall be well rewarded. And the plan of the foresters had worked as he thought. King said that he could go back to the forest with his band. Band means group. बैंड ऑफ माई मोस्ट स्किलफुल ट्रेनर्स. हम सब जानते हैं कि जब भी कोई वाइल्ड एनिमल्स को पकड़ते हैं तो उसके लिए ट्रेनर की ज़रूरत होती है. सो किंग सैड टू द फॉरेस्टर that he could go back to the forest with a group of most skillful trainers of him, and if they succeed, means if they capture the rare elephant, the king will definitely reward the forester. The forester had cunningly noted landmarks while riding back to Banaras, and he led the trainers to the lake where the white elephant was gathering bamboo stems for his mother's evening meal. When the elephant saw the forester with the band of trainers, he knew he had been betrayed. Betrayed, वही बात, deceived, धोखा देना, ठीक है. The forester had cunningly noted Landmarks means आप सब ने ये SST में भी पढ़ा है लैंडमार्क्स, कि जब वो वापस आ रहा था तो उसने बहुत सारी चीज़ें देखी थी और वो माइंड में रख रहा था उन लैंडमार्क्स को सभी को, कि यहाँ पर कैसे जाना है वापस उसी जगह पर जहाँ पर वो वाइट एलिफेंट जो है वो रहता है. The forester had cunningly noted landmarks while riding back to Banaras. When he was on the back of white elephant, he noted down all the landmarks, and he led the trainers to the lake. So he took all the trainers straight to the lake where the wild elephant was living with his mother, and at that time he was gathering bamboo stems for his mother evening meal. And when the elephant saw forester with the band of trainers, when he knew he had been betrayed, means he has realized that he had been deceived by the forester. He tried to escape, but the trainers pursued him and soon succeeded in capturing him. Then they led him through the forest and entered Banaras in triumph. Triumph means victory. Because they were succeeded in capturing the white elephant, so they returned Banaras with victory. So the half of the lesson has been completed. You have to read it again, and if you have any problem, then please contact me.